Operate the project. Set amplifier's parameter by motor setup software, then turn on the power of amplifier and SANMOTION CS100. Double-click device. Press Scan Network, then select SMC100A. Press Login button. The project is downloaded to controller, but it is not started yet. Press Start button. The project has started completely. It is able to confirm by EtherCAT connection as this screen. Go to Visualization. Press Servo On button. The lamp is on when servo on. Press Jog button during servo on. Try Jog -2. That's all.